This is Motorola One 5G Ace, and today I'm going to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. So that's a very simple thing to do. You will just need to launch settings, then enter network and internet category. Onward, tap at the mobile network over here, and at the following page you'll be able to see how much cellular data you have used. Well, on this device, once there is any data usage available, in my case it's 0, but if there will be any, this app data usage section will be also available, and by tapping on it you will be able to see a more detailed statistics on the data usage, such as a graph of data usage over the period of last month, as well as which app, service, or whatever used how much cellular data in particular. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.